Now we have got the Dow, the S&P, NASDAQ, all in the green. S&P little changed, up 3 points right now. That is a gain of just under 0.1%, 55.68 on the S&P. The Dow up 46, now up 0.1%, and NASDAQ up 27, a gain of 0.2%. 10-year 4.24%, 2-year 4.48%. Gold up $9 the ounce, 24.05 right now, up 0.4%, and West Texas Intermediate crude down 1.1% at 77.32 a barrel. Wall Street's focus very much on earnings, but there is a Fed meeting next week. So what about the rate cut outlook? Tracy McMillian is head of global asset allocation at Wells Fargo Bank.
There's almost 100% probability right now priced into the market that there will be a September cut. So if we do not get that cut, we think markets will definitely be disappointed. But you also have to think about why we do not get that cut. We might not get it if growth continues to be strong.
Tracy McMillian of Wells Fargo Bank began to change about 4.24%. A pair of major earnings events after the close of trading. Yes, we got you covered. Tesla and Alphabet. Tesla shares ahead of earnings down 1.5%. Alphabet up by 0.6%. I'm Charlie Ellison, that with a Bloomberg Business Flash.
Thank you so much for that update, Charlie. Well, Mark Zuckerberg has fired his latest salvo in the AI wars. Just today, Meta Platforms unveiled the largest open source AI model ever. It's called Llama 3.1. The company is also updating its Meta AI service, billed as a rival to ChatGPT.
And in an exclusive interview with Bloomberg, Emily saying that about why he believes it's superior to competitors such as OpenAI and Google. Bloomberg Originals host and executive producer Emily Tsang joining us now from our San Francisco bureau. Emily spoke to Mark Zuckerberg for The Circuit. It is a Bloomberg Original series and it's hosted by her, where she goes behind the scenes with founders, executives, and innovators. Sometimes gets to wear pink high heels, but I'm not going to talk about that right now. Good to have you back with us. Mark Zuckerberg, man, when we think about big mega cap tech companies, that is certainly one of them in a big way. AI sounds like it was top of mind for you guys.
Well, AI is their big news today, and Mark's been really excited about this new model, the biggest open source model ever. He says it takes it to another level. Like, you can think about it like a teacher, and it will teach all the other models, smaller models, below it. And so, getting to this milestone was a really big deal for them. They've obviously invested billions of dollars to get here and to try to catch up to OpenAI and Google. So the interesting thing is they're really coming from behind, but what he thinks is by the next update, they're going to completely have closed the gap. So, it was a really rare opportunity to sit down with him and talk about his vision. And, I've met him, I've interviewed him over the years, and I'd also say, he seems a lot more comfortable in his own skin and just answering questions more directly, and that was really refreshing. I thought we got to see a more real, more human side of him.
Okay, Emily, I want to talk about Llama and I want to talk about AI, but really what I want to talk about is
You're going to go there, aren't you?
Yeah, it's so fun. I think it's easier than regular surfing. I don't know how you felt about it. You talked in the program about how you were from Hawaii. You got up there and you wake surf. We're looking at pictures right now.
You're looking at me wiping out.
No, come on.
There you go, wiping out again. Yeah, I think we're going to show you the climax here. So, look.